This is how you can restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. At the end of this video, I will be telling you the consequences of restricting someone on your Facebook Messenger. To get started, we have to log into Messenger. Log into Messenger now. These are your Messenger contacts. If you want to restrict any of these people, simply tap on the person's name, tap on this icon here, and scroll up. You can see restrict. Tap restrict. This person is restricted. Okay, another way you can do this is to go back to your contacts, tap and hold on the person's name. Tap the person's name and hold, and this will pop up. You can still restrict this person. This person is restricted. Alternatively, you can select the chat. To restrict this person, I will simply tap and hold on his profile picture, and this will still pop up. Scroll down to restrict and restrict this account. This is how you can restrict any of your friends on Facebook Messenger. The implication is that you won't get notification when they message you. You won't be able to call or message them. You won't see your conversations with them in your chat list. They won't be able to see when you are online. This is how you can restrict someone on your Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.